DB Sales Company, where we not only offer diesel engines, parts, and customized generator sets, we also provide information on these products to make your experience of finding and acquiring the exact right ones for you as easy as possible. The Perkins 1104D-44 and its turbo version have many machine applications for a few equipment brands. In this video, we'll be listing the machine models for both of these engines. The 1104D-44 is built for the JLG G5-18A. The 1104D-44T is built for Aksa and Manitex-Liftking machines. The Aksa applications for this engine are the APD-EPA56, APD-EPAP56, APD-EPD56S, APD-EPAP56S, ADP-ULP56, and AT56 models. The Manitex-Liftking applications for the Perkins 1104D-44T are the LK8M22, LK8M42, LK8P44B, LK10M22, LK10M42, LK12M22, LK12M42, LK16M22, LK16M42, LK20M22, LK20M42, LK20P22, LK20P44, LK25P44, the 2200-15D, 842G Reach, and AEM 6T36-E models. If you found this informative, be sure to check out our other diesel engine application videos for added clarity when searching for replacement engines. We hope this helped you understand more clearly exactly the diesel product or products that you've been looking for. Also, look in the description for links to all of our websites. Check out and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on diesel products from DB Sales Company. And be sure to comment below anything else you'd like to know. You can also find us on Facebook under DB Sales Company, or Twitter under Find Diesels, where you can see various products we offer and tips on those products. We'd also like for you to engage with us about your experiences in the diesel industry and how we can help you better reach the diesel products that you're looking for. We hope to hear from you soon.